Good morning. Now I discuss electrostatic potential energy of a dipole in a uniform electric field. Very important topic, 5 mark question. This is a uniform electric field, a number of parallel lines of force are passing. A dipole is present inside the electric field. So A is a point charge, minus Q point charge, and plus Q point charge located at a point B. These all act as a dipole present in the uniform electric field. That is a displacement of the distance between the two charges is 2a. That is a dipole distance. This is a horizontal component. So vertical component 2a sin theta, 2a cos theta, theta between the dipole and the field. Angle between the theta dash, angle between the electric field and the dipole, very important. So that is a perpendicular distance to the dipole. Consider a dipole placed in a uniform electric field. So this is a uniform electric field, parallel lines. This is a dipole present in the uniform electric field E vector as shown in the diagram. A dipole is experiencing some force, it's nothing but torque, when the kept in a uniform electric field E vector. This torque, it will rotate the dipole in a field. ஃபீல்டுக்குள்ளே டைப்போலை இந்த டார்க் என்ன பண்ணிச்சு, ரொட்டேட் பண்ணிடுச்சு. ரொட்டேட் பண்ணுறதுனால the dipole is aligned it with the direction of the electric field. ஸோ எலக்ட்ரிக் ஃபீல்டு டைரக்ஷனுக்கே இது அலைன் ஆயிடுச்சு. இது டைப்போலோ, இந்த டைரக்ஷனில் இருக்கிற டைப்போல் அப்படி அலைன் ஆயிடுச்சு. என் ஃபிங்கரை பார்த்தா உங்களுக்கு புரியும். அப்படி அலைன் ஆச்சு. அப்படி அலைன் ஆன உடனே to rotate the dipole from its initial angle theta dash to another angle theta, some angle-லேருந்து some other angle-க்கு rotate ஆகிருக்கு. இது டைப்போல், இங்கே presence of electric field. Okay, so the initial angle theta dash to the another angle theta against the torque, it exerts the electric field. So torque against so rotate ஆகிட்டுருக்கு. An equal and opposite external torque must be applied on the dipole. டைப்போலுக்கு நம்ம எக்ஸ்டர்னலாக ஒரு டார்க் கொடுக்குறோம். அதில் டைப்போல் இப்போ ரொட்டேட் ஆகிட்டுருக்கு. The work done by the external torque to the rotate the dipole. இப்போ ஒர்க் டன்னால் நம்ம ஒர்க் டன் நடக்குது டியூ டு த எக்ஸ்டர்னல் டார்க்னால. ஸோ எக்ஸ்டர்னல் கொடுக்குற டார்க்னால நமக்கு இப்போ ஒர்க் டன் நடந்துச்சு. இப்போ டைப்போல் என்னவாகுது, இந்த ஃபீல்டுக்குள்ளே ரொட்டேட் ஆகுது. எங்கேருந்து எங்கே, சம் ஆங்கிள் தீட்டா டேஷ் டு தீட்டா, சம் அதர் ஆங்கிளுக்கு ரொட்டேட் ஆகிட்டு இருக்குது. அடுத்து கான்ஸ்டன்ட் ஆங்குலர் வெலாசிட்டிலேயே ரொட்டேட் ஆகுது. ஆங்குலர் வெலாசிட்டி ஒமேகா. பட் த டோட்டல் ஒர்க் டன் by the dipole in a uniform electric field na, so W is equal to integral theta 1 to theta tau ext na external torque into d theta. D theta is a angular displacement, tau is a torque. Torque is equal to force into perpendicular distance, but here torque is mentioned external torque due to the force. The tau vector is equal to and opposite to the tau e vector. The external torque is equal to opposite to the electric field produce the torque by the dipole. That is a tau e is equal to tau external. So tau e vector equal to P vector cross E vector. So modulus of tau vector is equal to modulus tau E vector. It's nothing but modulus of P vector cross E vector in magnitude level. That is a magnitude formula. The tau is equal to Pe sin theta. Very important formula. Already this topic is discussed in a electric dipole topic. The total work done due to the dipole experience a torque in a uniform field. So W is equal to integral theta 1 to theta PE sin theta into d theta. This tau value the substitute in this equation number 1. The substitute பண்ணியாச்சு இந்த tau formula. So integrating the sin theta, the P is a constant, P is a dipole moment, E is a electric field. இங்கே மேக்னிடியூட் இருக்குது, அதனால தான் வெக்டார் போடல. ஸோ PE of minus cos theta, sin theta இன்டெகிரேட் பண்ணால் minus cos theta, upper limit, lower limit, upper limit, lower limit. So the total work done by the dipole in a uniform electric field, it experiences a torque. So W is equal to PE of limit, upper limit first substitute பண்ணிடலாம், minus cos theta minus cos theta dash. So simplified, PE cos theta dash minus into minus plus minus cos theta. Work done is equal to the, that is a work done is equal to the potential energy difference between the angular position theta and theta dash. So this work done stored a electrostatic potential energy. You know electrostatic potential energy formula, U of theta minus U of theta dash. There is a change in electrostatic potential energy in this given equation. There is a del U. Del U is nothing but the change in electrostatic potential energy. So del U is equal to minus PE cos theta, already improved. So P is inside multiplication, minus PE cos theta plus PE cos theta. This formula, PE cos theta dash minus PE cos theta, that's a change in formula. U of theta, this value, U of theta dash, this value. If the initial angle is theta dash equal to 90 degree, maybe initial position dipole moment direction to the field maybe 90 இருந்துச்சுன்னா is taken as reference point, then U of theta dash equal to P cos 90 degree. Cos 90 0. The total potential energy stored in the system of dipole kept in the uniform electric field is U is equal to minus PE cos theta. So minus P vector dot D vector, this is a vector notation. The potential energy is maximum when the dipole is aligned and anti-parallel to the electric field. That is a 180 degree field opposite இருக்கும் dipole. The electric field and is minimum when the dipole is aligned parallel. Dipole moment field along the same direction. இந்த dipole field along the same direction இருக்கும். Opposite தான் 180, along the direction 0. When the dipole is aligned parallel to the field, that is a theta equal to 0 degree. Very important. So theta equal to 0 na cos 0 1. So potential energy is maximum. That's all.